বাহ।
এটা টাচ করা যাবে না, মানে এই রিংটা দিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে হবে, যদি বাজে তাহলে আউট। আর যদি যেত তাহলে একটা ফ্রি গিফট পাবে, ফ্রি একটা গেম যে কোনো গেম
হয়ে গেছে।
Bachelor 9 and 10 moving now. If anybody want to go, they can avail bus number 9 and 10. Up to 6 o'clock buses will. Please move there. Computer lab. How much you want, you can stay there. You can play computer game if anybody want.
आइसक्रीम
7. Class 7, anyone is here? Class 7, selfie. Selfie one, group photo. Class 7. Four pieces pakoda.
চলো চলো, এটাই যে এখানে, এটা কি রে?
Good morning. Today we are presenting an exhibition on solar system. So let us start with the sun. This is the sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases, or we can say fire. So sun's real color is white. It is the closest star from the earth. Its gravitational force holds the solar system together orbits around. So now let us know about the planets. This is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and also the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the second densest planet after the Earth. Mercury is known for being the fastest moving planet, which completes its orbits in 88 minutes. Venus is known for its extreme heat and often called the hottest planet. And Venus is often known as the twins planet or the sister of Earth because of its mass and size is similar to Earth size and mass. So let us come to Earth. Earth is known as our home planet or blue planet. The Earth's natural satellite is our the moon. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. So let us come to Mars. Mars is known as a rocky planet and also known as a red planet. Mars is about the half size of the Earth. Mars is very thin atmosphere.
Very good, beta.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has 92 moons. Jupiter has a great system of rings composed mostly of dust. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn has land and atmosphere with the second fastest speed in the solar system. Uranus. Uranus is also known as the ice giant. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium and nickel. Thank you, Anurag. of hot gas composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Now we'll start with the planets. Our first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and innermost planet in our solar system, known for its fast orbit around the Sun, which is completed in just 88 Earth days. It has no moon. Now we'll next come to our Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and Earth's closest neighbor, known as a sister planet of Earth due to its similar size and structure. It is the hottest and the brightest in our solar system because its thick carbon dioxide rich atmosphere traps heat. 225 days are taken by Venus for one revolution around the Sun. It also has no moon. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, the seventh largest in the solar system, and the only one known to support life. It is a rocky terrestrial planet with liquid water, and its surface and its atmosphere contain life-supporting gases like oxygen. It takes 365 days and 6 hours. It is only one satellite. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, often called the red planet due to its iron-rich dust and a rocky desert-like surface. It is a cold, dry world with a thin atmosphere, primarily made of carbon dioxide, but it has different seasons. It takes 1.88 Earth years for one revolution. It has two moons.
Functioning of the wind turbine. This is the wind source. I cannot show because it is not currently rotating, and explaining that this is the wind source. The kinetic energy of the wind is creating a lift called known as the force that is known as the lift, and that is making the rotation of the blades. And these blades are connected to a rotor. This also rotates along with the blades, and that is connected to a low speed shaft. Now the speed of that low speed shaft is not efficient for the production of energy. That's why it is again connected to a high speed shaft through this motor. This high speed, the mechanical energy of the rotation of the shaft is converted to electrical energy by the process of electromagnetic induction in the motor, and it produces AC current, and the electrical energy or the electricity produced in this motor is transmitted to the street lights and the house. But now if I give, it is not rotating, that's why these are also not heating up. If we turn on the switch, then this will be heating up if this rotates.
Okay, show me.
This is not rotating.
Oh. Very good.
If rotates also is not in highest speed, if it is highest speed, this stops and then rotates. If it is like that, it cannot generate electricity.
Oh. You made it. You made it. Okay.